Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige and let's just jump into the video. So first off, I want to apologize for my appearance. I am still in my pajamas. I am rocking the just rolled out of bed look, and that's because today's video I am going to be doing not just my makeup, but my makeup, my hair, my outfit. Everything. This video is a collab with Phantasmal Blonde. I am going to be recreating my Sims look. Over on her channel, she's gone and created a sim for me, so I suggest you go and watch her video, which will be linked down below first, and come back and watch me redo it. I have not seen this video yet. I've been waiting until I filmed this. It's been very, very hard. I mean, she just put up the video last night, but it was really hard to wait until now to watch it. So I am going to watch it, do the whole shebang. I've set up for how I do my stuff first. So I generally do makeup, then hair, then outfit. I don't know what order she's done it in the video. I left some room so that hopefully screen recording works this time. If you've seen any of my other videos where I need screen recording, you will know that it has been pretty shit. I think it's recording and then it's not. But hopefully it works this time, and I will put the video up here as well, but I do suggest you go and watch it on her page as well, because she is so lovely and she definitely deserves the views and the love. So go and watch her video first, then come back here and watch me do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a collab with Madison Paige. I will be linking her YouTube channel down below and all of her social media, so you can give her a follow. She will also be creating a video. She's going to recreate the look that I make on The Sims. This is supposed to be her, so I'm just creating her here, trying to pick the right hair. I end up going with the first one anyways because I think it looks best. But yeah, let's just get into the video.
Okay, so she did her hair first. That's not too bad. I don't mind doing my hair first. As you can see, she went with space buns. I do often rock space buns. Jesus Christ almighty. Put a photo here. But yeah, let's do this. Okay, hair is done. Let's continue. So she's just done my eyebrows first. Very nicely, I must say. I'm pretty sure those are better than my real eyebrows. They're a lot lighter than what I would normally go for. I'm not sure if she changes them later, but for now I'm just going to do them nice and lightly, which means no using my... I'm just going to use some powder. Because my Anastasia and my pencil, my brow pencil, are both quite dark. So I'm just going to use this one in the middle here. And give them a slight brush through. Alright, let's continue. There we go. Gotta get the baby blues. so before we move forward with the eyes or anything, I am going to do my foundation at least, because I know you can do contouring and stuff in The Sims, and I don't know if she's doing that yet, but I will do my foundation before she moves on with anything else. By the way, just a thought, what do you guys think of my makeup tutorials? Because I mean, they're not really tutorials because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I was talking to someone the other day and they say that they like the style of makeup videos that I do where like it's obvious that I have no idea what I'm doing. They were saying how it's more relatable, and shut up. They were saying how it's more relatable because like a lot of people have no fucking clue what they're doing. And also apparently it would be good for beginners. If you haven't noticed, Roger has returned. He's just swapped sides. But here we go. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit, but so far the skin detail she's got on me has given me very defined cheekbones, which means I will definitely need some contour, but I'm gonna leave it for a little bit just in case she changes it or in case she does anything, any specific contour with the makeup. I don't know. Oh, she got my nose ring. She's got eyelashes and I think I already know which ones I want to use. Okay. I take a shot every time I say okay. The skin detail she's used on me has given me very, very defined cheekbones. So, I guess we are contouring the shit out of my face. I think I might use a brow powder for my contour because I've found that a lot of my powders that I've been using for contour are quite orange. So I'm gonna test some shit out in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna blend that a little bit, but not a whole bunch. And also I'm going to cut it. Okay, so the nose is also very snatched. Definitely some on the chin, but it doesn't look like there's any on the forehead. By the way, I'm not an idiot. I'm using the lightest brow powder. Like, I'm not using the same stuff I used on my eyebrows. It's still pretty dark though, but I am pale as fuck, so it was always going to be dark. Now for eyes, it's very red. It's not very red, it's entirely red. I don't have red. I suppose I could start with this peachy colour here, and then, I don't know, try some red lipstick or something. People use lipstick on their eyes all the time. Yeah, that's definitely more orange than red, but we are going to work with it for now. Might start with the regular lipstick first. I had multiple eyeshadow brushes for a reason. Now I can't find any of them. That's pretty good. I will do the other eye in a second, but I might chuck a bit of this on there as well. That didn't do a whole bunch more. Literally all I can think about is 21 Pilots. They did the red eye thing, right? Fake fan alert. Moving on. She's done pretty severe eyeliner. Hang on. Is it a wing? I can't tell if it's a wing or not. It is. It's a very small wing. So I think I'm going to do something that I haven't done in ages. And that's actually draw the damn thing. I will fix that in a moment. But first, yeah, I'll go over that again. Now lashes. I bought 2 new pairs. I've worn one of them already. But it's actually these ones that look most like what I normally have. My feet are dying. Okay, so not the greatest lash job I've ever done. So for lips, she's gone with a really deep red. Okay, so I'm using Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn Blood. Very subtle shine on the chin, on the nose, under the eyes. And on the forehead. Now that is the finished makeup look. Spray. Holy shit. And now on to the outfit. So the outfit she's gone for is actually fantastic. So it's a cropped jersey. I'm telling you this all just in case my phone decided to be a fucker and not screen record. If it did screen record, then I'm telling you anyway. Anyway, she chose a black cropped hoodie. I have a black cropped sweater and I have a cropped hoodie, but that's purple. I think I'll do the black sweater, and then she's given me kind of like yoga pants, sweatpants sort of situation, which I will decide between sweatpants, yoga pants or leggings. And then she's given me some Ugg boots, which I have not quite as long as the ones that she's given me, but they're still Ugg boots. I am highly excited. Okay, so this is the outfit I've decided to go with. It is a black Scotty Sire merch cropped sweater and some leggings. These leggings were my yoga pants before I got actual yoga pants. But my actual yoga pants are 3/4 length and the pants that she had me in were full length. Okay, so I've changed my mind. I've decided to go with 2 outfits. This is outfit number 2. The first one I chose because it's all black like the one that she chose for me, and this one, the clothes look more similar to the ones that she picked out. So you guys can let me know in the comments which one you prefer, 1 or 2, and I will put some B-roll in now. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much to Phantasmal Blonde for offering to do this collab. I had so much fun. Yeah. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which outfit you preferred out of 1 or 2. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification to be notified every time I post, and I will see you next time. Bye!